Hello, my guys, gals, and non-binary pals. And today I have with you another web tour of how to make money during the coronavirus epidemic. I know, I said I would play Stardew Valley on Saturdays and talk about like a new schedule and whatnot, but I feel like this is more prevalent to the situation going on in the world right now. So I decided to screw all that. Maybe I'll do a schedule of some upload thing later. I can't even seem to consistently upload based on the day because I keep staying up late and getting a late start on the next day, pushing all of my videos and posts to even later in the day. I'm just a mess of a Generation Z. And I don't know what generation comes after Z, but if whatever it is, please stop doing that ridiculous coronavirus challenge. It's dumb, and that's Darwinism at its finest. Just don't do it. Stop licking toilet seats and doorknobs. That's disgusting. Please stop. So anyway, on to the video. Today I'm going to show you a special website that I rather have grown fond of over the years called ForumCoin. I initially joined when I was 15 because there's not really an age to join. I think you have to be at least 13 to do so without a parent because of like COPPA and like other laws and stuff like that, but beyond that, there really is no age range for you to join. This is my user control panel, and this is like where you can find the rules and things safe online and that kind of thing. If you do join up on this website after I show it to you, please follow the rules. It also has a mobile version of the website if you can only join from your phone, and that's perfectly fine too. The mobile version of the website. This is how many foreign coins I currently have now. 100 coins equals $1, so I currently have about $2.34 in the bank there, but I like to keep it there because I exchange foreign coins for services on the website. It's like its own currency. That's why it's called the New World Currency, because you can exchange it all over the world. However, base, it means in USD is $1. 100 coins is $1, so 1 coin is a penny. And as you can see right here, I'm a master miner, so this post is mine. I'm currently selling a $10 Amazon.com code for $9, meaning that's a 100 coin net loss for me, but I do gain 900 forum coins, which would put me on the balance for being one of the highest there is. Let's see who's at the top here. Oh god, that's a lot. That's like 5,100? $5,700. I don't know how much that would be actually. But I would be put in a running. I'd probably take Reis. I'd be right below Reis. I'd be the 11th most in the world. At least until it cashes out. There's some new rule about cashing out and like having an advertisement down here, which you can also do. You can advertise your own stuff. Like you can put on advertisements for other websites that I'm also going to be teaching you in later videos on making money. You can advertise your links, advertise your own products, your web stores and services and stuff like that. Now for actually navigating the website, you can discuss forum coin right here, like anything related to the website you can discuss here. This is where you see guidelines and announcements. This is for exchanges that are forum coin. These are official forum coin offers that are from the website. These are when he has deals on usually these official forum coin offers. These are for like member ads. You can put your referral links here from other websites and exchange things that aren't for forum coin. Like if you have PayPal and you're gonna just do PayPal stuff and not offer forum coin for it, you put it here. This is the forum discussion tab, general off-topic thing, anything not about forum coin. Ask me anything in interviews, forum games, and introducing yourself as a new member. Computers, game, and technology. This is for all discussion about computers, gaming, and technology. This is discussion and news. This is like for people who own websites like me. This is actually how I got my website up and running, ForumCoin. I exchanged ForumCoin for services like hosting, and I got a domain name on a deal that I saw on ForumCoin for 15 cents. It was great, and now ever since then I've been running that website since I was about 16. Business, Money, and Wealth, or BMW. Anything about business, money, and wealth, like stuff about like cryptocurrencies or generally making money online. This article is a tutorial. Basically, if you have a bunch of knowledge on a specific topic and you can make an article on it and it falls under one of the categories they accept articles for, you could put it here and you'd get up to 150 ForumCoin based on how many people read your discussion or like respond to it. I think you have to have like 10 responses to get the extra 50 ForumCoin. Because I think they pay 100, or it could be the other way around. I don't remember. Yeah, these are all of the member links of people who purchased having their ads placed at the bottom of the website. These are the people who are online now and their stats. These are the people who were online recently. There's a bunch of people here, and I love this site to death. It's so great. It's a great resource for people trying to start up a website or just learning how to make money online. I found many of my money ventures, including all my current ones, from people sharing their links on this website. I've made a lot of money from it, and I'm very happy with it. I love ForumCoin. I love the admins, Fergal and Cyberfreak. They're amazing, and I would love to be staff one day if they should ever ask me. It would be great. And I would have all the more reason to post here more often. I haven't done that a lot recently, but I hope to in the future. I just sort of felt irrelevant because I don't really know that much about stuff. I'm mostly here to learn. And learning I have, and learning I shall. And so can you. You can join this site anywhere that you have internet and make money off of it too. The main requirement is that you speak English, and you'd have to convert from USD to whatever your currency is with how much ForumCoin you make. It's like a whole thing. You have to learn how much ForumCoin you make per thing from whatever your country's currency is. There are different categories earn you different amounts of ForumCoin. Some of them don't earn you any at all. I don't know which ones those are. And there are certain requirements before you can cash out your ForumCoins. Should you choose to do that instead of offering exchanges here for it? Or you could offer an exchange with someone else who has like PayPal or something that's not an admin, so that you can skip that. But make sure they're credible before you do that. I would consider myself pretty credible because I have almost 1,000 posts. So I've been here for a long time. I joined in 2015. Been an active member for many, many years. And yeah, that's about all there is to know about ForumCoin. You can click new posts, you can click members, there's FAQs. You can see your posts with this tab. You can only earn ForumCoins on your first 10 posts of the day, and then after that, all the posts you make earn you less. Like if you posted an 11th post in something that's supposed to earn you 5 ForumCoins, I think you'd only earn like 1 or 2. It would like earn you less ForumCoins over time. They had to do that because it was beginning to cost too much money. As more people came, but not that many people were clicking ads. But yeah, that's about all I have in information about this today. Except for, you can click here to advertise your banners. You can find out how to advertise your banners on this website. lots of people would at least see it, if not click on it, and that's good exposure for you. It's a static page. Basically, pay 199 phone coin, and you get your page in line. I think I might do that once I get this 900 phone coin, because eventually someone's going to take it. I've noticed Amazon gift cards sell like hotcakes on this website, so if you use a thing that doesn't sell to your country and have like gift cards for that, you could use that and get the gift card and sell it on here at a slight markdown, which is still 100% net profit for you because you still haven't spent any money. So it's really 100% gain. That's how I see it. Anyway, I'm not going to waste any more of your time. Not that it's wasted if you learn something and use it. But, have a great day, you guys, gals, and non-binary pals. I'll see all you Internet Explorers in the next video. Bye-bye!